na dem pese Ken hu ne say God dada adenta wo ye NDC ni ye friend ne boga ye wie yi wa se da ye no so wo ye friend ne say and wo ye opo platforms wo asesa ne din tem bi obeso yi a on the so de gum na mo so bu di eti mo so mo ye party for mo so mo do party no hwe me de se mo bu say e friend ne say Alhaji Bawumia e ba so wi ni e ma position bi obeje na wo say why not. Say why not there? Na say wutimi ma obi onyo party ba. Obejana baabi no wo kasa na ya na ya mude na mu gina ho na mo sere a. Ewi aso ho. Boys, e to le bia ba wa gin say wu say obi. Ba say wunim, ya si Joseph na ne nua ne mu so mo ton. Ama ebedru baabi no, ono kwa na abe fridi wo mo a. Anka omo anton. Enti wo fo say wu say nipa no. Ebia wo di nipa na gba down na so wan kasa wo die ne mumu na wo di ne ta menem because say party mu honorable Ken the way na nipa don wo party mu say de na first wo kasa ye yi say sa na me nyina mu na mo di na chi no mo aye say de mo kata mo ni ase de mo hu ye sa na me nyina aba fam say aba fam o say nipa bebre wo ho a wo bo ni din kura no nipa ne bu afu adenti na say basa na ya wie ye say yes thank you talk ka aye ko so so eno so mutimi so ho platform say dey pa na kana chief wo ye be yo Mr. Voice me menya akwala mani afi me se me hu se ye ntena adankyere mate de enko 208 na do na ye gya no e kura de ye hu se bi da
say ebia afi na social media abanti
etimi Voice da bi o first no ye nya ye ntena lesson mo kwa omo nkasa rof say ana omo wie sika ne se de wiase ne awieye ana omo fu say fa ne se omo kwa no yenye sa ne ma no wo mu ana omo profile nkofo abanja pade na asefo enso ye kobukomu a wo abanja land no wo so wo tobi ana omo check as ma chairman fo na wo di sika ma chairman fo na emu ma set emu ye fa ne sen cars wo wi ana obeda na egu nyonko so.
He seems to be aiding and abetting. Now, pedobe, you know, it's not like that. Aiding and abetting involves assisting, encouraging, or lending moral support to a commission of a crime. You are constantly seen on a platform that is used for vituperation, berating, lampooning, and insulting a candidate. In fact, more young point there, it also requires both an act or omission that assists the crime. I got in a platform wash a whole by 18 ness and count. Maybe
just 30 seconds. Obi no honor ma me kwa honor odi doctor atem. Maybe criticism that is fine.
No workers and papa there. Then you don't have to speak the
maybe criticism. No, person is criticizing Dr. Bawumia.
Whereas as some papa na world Canada, then you didn't have to tell us that in you control over them. Until you are contradicting yourself, please.
Uncle Marcus, Marcus, don't you think that we on the Bawumia side we are putting undue pressure on our brothers on the other side? We are forcing them too much to be gentle like the way we are.
No, you see, because it's borders on integrity. Voice. If I decide to intentionally insult you, denigrate you, and make you look dirty in the eyes of the public, even when I have reconciled with you and I come back to campaign for you, my message will not be effective because reasonable people will not take me to be serious. Me serious. How can you spit on something and all of a sudden turn around and come and tell us that it is good? You don't have integrity. It doesn't work like that. Because you have created a mental picture of distraction in people's mind. That is what they don't understand.
So how am I going to campaign to delegate to vote for Dr. Bawumia if I cannot be allowed to tell them that Honorable Ken is quick-tempered?
No, so that should even disqualify him. You think that public office?
No, the question I'm asking you is that, please, can you pay attention? Okay. How do I, as a Bawumia person, go and tell campaign about Dr. Bawumia, delegate, vote for Dr. Bawumia because he knows how to comport himself in public? Honorable Ken is quick-tempered. If I'm not allowed to say that Honorable Ken is quick-tempered, how do I convince a delegate? The same way, how does a Ken follower convince people to vote for Ken because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia maybe looks too dull, he might not take the difficult decisions for the country?
Okay, so internal elections should be guided by certain principles because there's a possibility that any of the candidates can win. So you don't highlight on the perceived negativities of each individual. Because once you do that, we are together. Yeah. What's it? Say, Aponchini Bakacho, the Den Cham Shenswaza, and Jinichim. Inti Wuna or Yeniano, Wuna Yenimu, Wuna or Bakache, the Nippon yet. It the major man on to me yet. It has registered in people's minds. Until you can't then go back and turn it. That is why you must focus on the strength of your candidate.
Oh, Midase Kemba. All right. Yeah, Maya 4 minutes in going.
Boys, me pauto. A party we never won. Enya Alaji Bawumia. Any first person, thank you to. Okay. 50 cents. Ye kabo mo say the new patriotic party na ye konsusua ye flag bearer na ye di ni gina ye no on na ye right so o thank you to because on na ye flag bearer enye contestants what you say ya ko thank you to Ken Bejina ha sabe o ye yi anope wo gina omega app ne so anope de ne ma na mo ye wo ho anope mo gina ho mo say I am a cartoon.
Mommy. Let's limit ourselves to a semi cow. Maya.
And some more canina. Voice, my uncle.
Me paucho. A semi cow. Yanka one send paucho.
NPP platform. Would not see her. Will be disappointed. Almost say, dear, Alaji Bawumia. Bibi ye biano was one de on come and someone no more kafa ne ho edi name calling sa omo de money na Ken ba wugina went me account on say e mama onyesa wugina ho ya wo de wo sere ye say e fa ne say obi aboy e fa ne say asun na bi asun that guy, that arrogant guy, that's your comment na me gina see ho na me tie wo me record e wo tie ma me screen recording maybe I say am e fa ne say voice adia me tsena pa wo ye hypocrite hwe se adia no enya akase enye
but Maya me be so question na Maya na me be so question na second ba ana say Ken fans omu come platforms to ko say ba me ade omu mane buy no mba ne ban china ana or they say those is enye politics
tie voice see my mention
yes
my own bad name how much na fine but a man fa name callings binom na muni no agro ana say there o se wono de wonka ho na bone ba he ano Alaji Bawumia hin no wagina kase wono wonka ho ewo nana dudankwa afa de o ma ya wonu say agenda o ma say wuram nana dudankwa na ode ne ko ye friend ne sen no say Bawumia yi ni boni aye. That's what they are saying. Emma Omega na ni mai atotomo te say yi eto wakate say wo imagine say the gabi o chire da ko ete say the Alaji Bawumia ka me okotwe gabi o chire da ko anim say the aye no aye na ni wo mu wafuna totom no asan mo awafuno munna na me gina mystery recording hwe mayancha made
de de no no ko Ken fie ma Ken pamon
hwe party we nim na ye wo ye pese ye kira mo say Honorable Ken Agyapong obi antan
mi se wo ni mi o wo ni mi nti o cast ma for bi o an o hwe ni
Pamcho. Maya Pachovi. Maya, please go ahead. Yes. Me Pamcho. Maya is on the floor. Me Pamcho. Maya, can you go ahead?
Me kuna me danechi. Me kuna ya kantini mapa. But on Israel money atiti into ye NPP. Then I worry more than 25 years. On himself Honorable Ken Agyapong. First, ye tie a boiling point. Na se bibi na se woka. Me kunu nim no obo na Ken Agyapong asam so amene no ntopa. Dina se onya ye o say na di woni fa na de. Afa de on person obeti ni din po. Then I'm say yes because
please go ahead.
Me don because of party ninti. Ana me don me nim ni ba bia. But since ye nyina ye wo sono ma enti ne ye do. Hwe boys ya say wuji obi di na o dro nipa no wakomum na nipa no yiwu ma o say ya pa mo say Alaji Bawumia man why ye dia won kasa mo sori a mutimi ye you know be oye wicked man why ye din sa ne ye you know munim se de oye wicked ni nyina mo kan no nkrofo no mo ka wo mo app so papa yi nkasa why ye din a na so ko no ka cha mo se sa asem na ebi ne mo ka de wo se ko thank you to but to de bia voice ase bi wo ho a ye go ba bia ye ka no wo de mo hwe mo a muni wono abo Ken Agyapong se de wo tie free titi mo de mo hwe se takrade ho no no ogina efa ne se platform so no onye comfortable akọ ono ampa se so o hye ba bia NPP fo ni nyina ahia wutimu se ne no ene no nyaji because edi entia voice wuti wo se si yi menya oboni bia me hia oba bia se de metie no eno ana metie but ewiase yese boni kum obonefo so obi ndwene ho adwen boni na odwene ho adwen boni na opla ne bibi na ye ya hwe nipa eye honhom obi aso ne honhom a edi na chi ne de ati ni obi wo ha wo ye na de na ye ya oni ho de aba feel comfortable but wonye hia ne se pe wan kasa no honhom nyewe me se me hwe ayi takrade platform no so me se enti won abo kan pa ne dina ho sei e won ana se wotimi so onye comfortable kra hwe ne nkrofo ne na aka che ne se the thank you to nature afi de omo hu nsem na e ba na alaji ba me so mo so de on kasa
guilty conscience
enti no mo mo hwe nsem na e ba enti no mo se yenja thank you to da ben na ye call thank you to ayeja ye ke ma mention
aka no betimi agya yakọ
ewiase aye won wo hu ewiase aye won e ma ne nya wo se wo pe ba bi agina wo ko se wo nyonko na wo de afam e hu se enkrafo wo be bom so obiri nyanko be ni o kwa mokodu na mokohu fili o no enkrafo kasa no obiri nyanko be ni bo o la ke
okodu sembe bawo
na o kwa mokodu na
obiri nyanko
mokohu nko no yese wo ti ase voice tama wo say obi tugu ho wakoto wo hwe no tama wakoto ye no susu de da ho to obi susu wo ho no no su hu wo de so ti ase muti ho thank you to ayeko ma fa we ayi mutimi be so platform hwe nkwata se mo yekoso wo Ghana galam se ni na sefo ayekoso nyina who can ba woni omega wo be so platform a mo se no de munya bi nka o tambi ya age ba wo mia o mo se mo pe unity wo part
no na bro nya aka akere
mo se mo pe unity ensem a mo ka no ene de mo ye na mo se gen ye wo position there ye bo gospel ana ogina ho no wasa sisifia ni bi na sisifia ni bi mu ye ena no pe ade na mo ye wo ho no ti mo no you ti na se hwe ma ye kan kire mo se de nsuo to ye sa na ye hwe mo ka se ono abo campaign na ye kono be gina ho ye amnesty ni na se fo no
wa boda
ono abo kan ye fa ne se ayi afeko chairman wu ye chairman tama bolga chairman ni wu ye ho no ne kwamna Agyapong nyina omu nyina na suspend e wo mu me pa cho kwamna Agyapong onya NPP ni won san mai
cho NPP ni aba
yo ana wo ya fa say fa ne say na wo tama
afoko
okay na wo tama pro de ye ka founders say omo di NPP achieve from tete na ye ya wo ka ho bi ewi a kire no ofo say mi woni pa bi ho etan ti no ono ne hawo nyina ya adodan kwa na wo tama pro ni hawo nyina ya adodan kwa efi say e di na do be ye na wo tama pro akasa tia party sa no no a ekukuru ne hu gina nchen obi ampamo no wo tia say wo no won kwate party ana afi wo ba out say ne wo fa ase e hodi adia simply because Ibrahim mama ye ne wo fa ase ni nua ba ana de ba ne Ibrahim mama mo amunni mo ntie mi Ibrahim mama ne wo fa pa ne nya wo tama pro wo tia say enti mama e ba dia na ye ne wo fa ase enti wo ba kota ne wo fa ase echi na say he elajete ne ba e wo NDC mu na say elajete ka say me ba no e wo NDC mu na so no ne ye fa na flag bearer na kodi ne ba na tia enka no obesan ya ba NPP mu wo tia say enti ono ande kwhwe twifo say dudu owura wo tia say ye say kitwe wo
say wo say me wa me omo sen aba me
yes ne dudu owura party bia no hwe say ya ma discipline any sanctions am be na
sami wan say sami
boy say party na enye yes because ni pe bi wo no ma hwe ma me kan to say the echo soon say honorable Kennedy Japan and could be yes and no sorry. And I said, I see with the oil and yeah. You better turn it, she goes your turn it, yeah, no, dear. Are you coming Japan what time you? No one can your boss this, you are so what can. Well, no, the other thing, no, the what I thank God. Ah, the oil, dear. She said that in Kodia. Moment one us will be cast some say against about me, the animal near. The family who are then I just because they are Mr. President. Now, but I bear word as I about me. And I just think could be a friend, Mr. President. I can't take the Ken Cross one day. Party,
me da say Maya. Me da say Maya.
It's a party about now like cash, dear. Or British silent cash. What's not doye? Sanko for no ni pebin yam pawmo. But what deem you do? But Alan cash, dear. I am back. Bushman could see a common prince. Party no. Enyane dia ye ni dada mafo engo e wo party ni dada ba wa to bola man woni ne ba was ma fa me ball ye hia alantemate de ye hia no kra o ye betrayer
me da say
you wanna bo Kennedy Japan kra so ye betrayer enso party ni to bo so ne so a mo ntimi ensansen sa ma no ma ye ho to dia ba ye party mu nyina ye nya party ye ko internal election man nya rough say da me say free 92 boys me nya free 92 na party ye
da say
ye ko internal election man nya rough so no nko be contest ye you
Ghana jolo
mo so ma be so platform na pana mu jina hona mo tutu ala lampia
yo me da say Maya me da say Maya me da say
Thanksgiving ye ko
Maya me da say yo me da say all right me ba Dashel Dashel pacho brem 4 minutes man me
Ken crop on the platform.
She mentioned my name.
pacho Andrew time ye kojo Andrew time you pacho
Okay, pacho bet
mentioned my name say
yeah me see me ba osu le tobo kwemba pacho say mama go ahead now pacho
boys me say
you pacho you Maya Martin pacho Martin
na won sere ebi o mu kana ye ya no asose de mu
pacho Dashel
ene o timi ka cho mo say nye
o kan 3 months o so nya o kan wase o kan 3 months
pacho obi aka ni 3 months pamucho yenja let's allow for yes Dashel pacho 4 minutes
all right Martin Ghana Jollof Uncle Marcus na Miami chamu nyina ne Ken ba obi a wo so
Maya fefe
o cha Ken bazai Ghana Jollof me dey masem I think say 4 minutes ni for me Ken ba today we are
pacho munja Kemba pacho munja Kemba
no the question
ye can't to no answer
them do 4 minutes ne be here what's all
my friend no say you let him interject which is not there
second no me person me be send the question it's not my friend no Ken Pampacho Mr. Wa time na ye internal primaries no Pacho what to say about me e ka honorable Ken who asem boni bia
wan kan ho asem boni bia second so an ka ba me so asem boni
so maybe say asem ba kum be ko second one okay my second question is say
I dey hope na do ya so live na kana me nko Kofi hwani
okay my second question is say
Alaji ba me pacho Ghana Jollof Samia ku aye osin adoye
oh Pamucho please
okay Ken ba the second question is say nti honorable etna ho e ka say ba omian na nadom omunya hwe no mu wie sika na no mu wie no sanyi didi ye nyina yatem ka say MPP for ye mmoa ohene me pacho intanka emmoa ni patimi di mmoa so e ma ne ye sa ana say utimi ka say ye jimi na nyanseni ye de wo fra ejimi fo ma ne ye ana Ken Bay can I please know why
you ask me question o say wambo President Kufuor din ambo ba o me din say owia ade e no so benya ne straight two o ko je bi an ko di
na o kan sa no me patcho na John Dramani Mahama na na president onom na na government back then na
government no any people ba ko pen for
government. Please make your point so that he
yes, I don't really want this back and forth to happen,
then
frankly.
That's why I climbed. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Tasha. I hope Dasha is not pissed, by the way. Uncle Kojo, good evening.
Because I hope she's not pissed because Kemba no take them up.
Yes, for
that they stay bien keke.
Yes, 4 minutes.
Oh.
4 minutes. I mean more. Yeah. Also.
This one, mommy say.
4 minutes, please.
Okay, you me that's. One, yeah, better say, Mahmoud Baumia, your former vice president, say, or sir, and I say, fine part, thank you to fine, say, so now, a German for one more kuma. Now, dear Yanni said, your bra penny, your fucking, and now you knew a penny. In fact, Lusu ye say, me quas walker, me cancer, waka ho bia ane because sem keka bi ene no bi anko yie kura wono say ese wo party for the chop more because sem keka bi o keka ye ne ade no bi o na edipa de ese bi o mfi asem wutimi fa nkwa ponten ene sika bi a wo kan say yi mu nanado ne ba Dr. Baumia sika bi abre no say won resign no ne ade ni nyina so na wo boa wahu ensepia papa no keka ye na menim that time ade na ababe se ne mu ni nyina aka ho ene elusu ye enti se ne wono a wage atomu se ye di unity ni ade ebe mu a eye but the nkofo ye wo apso ni ade no mebo modern se senior man wono o mon kasa kakra because ya na ensem ni bi wo ba wo mo kan no aya na no edi because wo hwe ye vote a ye nya ye NDC for 2020 vote no 100,000 bi na beka ho no de win ye nkofo na ankoto aba wahu aba we ni aba sabi o ye mu bi na me senior man bi so no 60 me wo be say 58 ye hunu di akoso bebre wo hwe aba pa wa adwuma pa ye adwuma o ye akufo ado aba 8 years free mu a enye yi sa wo ye Ghana ni na se wo so wo be kan kure pa no a wahu enye yize sa wa papa na bodwuma pa wo na hwe ni pa dodo odo mo akọ school hwe nkola dodo ba me fu nyina atra fie se ye nkoto aba boys me ne wo ha ise ni ade wahu se me wo UK me wo Birmingham wo be hwe ene se akola akọ school kakra computer woni ni mu computer science ni ade wadwuma wo be ye bi kwati fie na wo ye adwuma wo mpe we na apede nenso maamefo ene nkola ya ye boa wo mu nyina ase ye nkoto aba because wutie ye wo fasam wa wo ka na NPP fo akrofo ene wo mo wieska ne ade na wo wusi nkrofo ya akrofo wo mo wieska wa na nkoto aba ma akrofo ade ne so adentisa
Exactly, Kojo. So, do you think that Honorable Ken Agyapong, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia should have invited? It was right inviting Honorable Ken to be part of the thank you tour.
Yeah, fine. The papa, why are they me? Coming Kwanka, I was Sakutunum, and Nomini at the Adimun, I asked for more joining because more Sanko 4 years, yes, every year. Come one compared to the post, we be. One was a day,
hey, say we need poster, say we need election, Okoto, Baji post bill. Some don't win. So Muji post, I say, post.
And Kabia board will be one so bush same. Yes,
okay. Okay, no idea. Now the other aspect, Honorable Ken say, Emma Honorable Alan, ni other people, your grandchildren, number party.
Alan there, me Asafu BH139. Me crop for any no support one line, me catch say papa no, why selfish. Where papa is said the NPP aboa one who never kwanya what they are fast so. Ye no kra. One who say na
hope sine doye.
wɔn kura se wɔn align wɔn nkɔ because any nipa wei wɔn fa wɔn atifo ɛne wɔn musuo free party ni wɔn si wodidi wɔ party yi mu a yɛn mu bi sɛ yakasa free tele since 2008 for time yakasa saa ba bɛ pim dɛ ɛnso yɛkura business kakra ne yɛ bɔɔla so na wɔn yɛ de bɛ fie nyinaa egu yi because ɔba wuntumi ɛdu tia wubetua wuntumi etu ɛsɛ wudai wɔn ho ɛnso sɛdeɛ esi bu ayɛ ɛnya agorɔ. Eti yebesre alan pa die se di alan beba pa die dabi
na hini nto e
one say one call alan ho no enkofo ye greedy one nyina won say sankofo nyina nyinya boss bi e NPP mo ye kakra na mo se ate ho what ho senti just say alan yenko anya won say edipa wo dure du ba bi na adure yi bi na wo yi bibia won say sanka one free party mo a se nka wo chance pa wo support ya nke se nka wo chance ada se nka vice ana enipa ebia more president ya wo ye den a uni bi wo Ghana enipa almost 33 asemi enipa celebrate the president kakra bi wo ho enti wo posisi bi a papa yi ya ade na NPP for nye papa yi pa timiti wo ho enti wono de wono nko abeba de a ye party no ne ka obi aye bobo a no ache ne se me ma me na ato ama me na me ko no aba na akọ no aba enti wono de wo se ado e de wono in fact wo dure ne ho a wo tena se me ni ense obi a wo watima di NPP mu etima nya ba bi akose na o kasete NPP a na me ya pa abato be de obi a ne tsinti mu
That's uncle. Thanks.
Ya wo munya botre. Ya wo munya botre nto bom. E fa ne fa nka na no ntre se abonte so for ebe fa nko. Yo.
That's uncle Kojo. All right. Nana is it Nana 9249
Bibi Bessie.
Bibi Bessie. Sir.
Bibi Bessie. After what was Abba? What was Abu Quay, young Cabasaba? The same people in a young baller. And I will call Yama, was Abba, and you, young that. Young that. When young cook confuse a crowd, when young cook confuse, oh boy, Gamay too. I line it goes to Gomako boy Gamay 2 or more. You're 2 or more. Yen womo.
Wako bojo mai.
Why? Wako bojo no. I can't on abu we say a yina ho. I can ala look and then metio the onyan kupon fie kra. Wo ye ponya etu. When ni asore mu aso aye 2. Wo bojo mai 2.
Usan ye 2 say
bojo ma 1 pp achi. Ala ya kote ni de. Enti no womun ko yanyi womu biom da womun ko enyi omu na ye to ba na omu we say omu kasetia eyi no we say no NPP
Dota Bawumia NPP ni Bawumia
womu ko sia we say so a na womu di NPP atamu kan NPP won poto ala nkrofo ni eyi krofo womu kan NPP won se poto no omu kwa de NDC cry Nandi cry. Omko no ke yan ko mesaba. Anke yan besa yo no ma she yellow no mo nango no mo so mo we say e kan say we wo mu chom party am ko rally no. We say rally no wo tu we say wa continue no. Aden wo mo kwati wo party e dey biom. Wo mo kwati wo party dey biom na. Se wana bo we say Kennedy we say yes anyi wo nya dey so we get jawo na we gire no hu say wono ntama yankufa pa bi wo ho na wonu mu ho na wo kwa no anki kan hu nsem amfa wan foreigner tie na wa ma na no kasa anya tantanta obontina uti bi bewia na masawa na wodie what the young foreign at Chapacha was saying. A Tientina Yansa Wale woman. Young Malo will be a mo. Woman call MPP a down, or Momako boy gammon. MPP a down. ɛyɛ atɔre koraa nka yɛtu wɔn afiri mu enti yɛnyɛ bɔne biara
na thank you to the idea here
thank you to no na nka yɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɛyɛ ana doctor so nsɛm a mɛfa ne sɛ wɔn mo kɔtena ase ɛyɛ nhwehwɛmu no ɛno a na wɔkeka wɔka wɔkyerɛkyerɛ mu because wɔn de nsɛm ato no so sɛ wɔyɛ kramoni nti ne anto ama ana wɔn so akɔhwehwɛ mu ho sɛ nsɛm wei ni nti na ama abatɔ na ankɔ yi eti wɔkyerɛkyerɛ mu no menim deɛ ɛha ɔnabo Ken Agyapong ne supporters no a wɔn so wɔn yi nsɛm no mako a doctor deɛ waka kora no wɔn nka ne saa o wɔn nka ne saa o deɛ doctor aka no na wɔn ayi na wɔn aka amena ayɛ tantantan wɔn ka na wɔn aka wɔn kyɛ sɛ wɔn fa na wɔn aka na wɔn ayɛ ma tantan ɛnyɛ na bɛma mo awie ni o onyankopɔn si wo hina wokɔtɔ ahenkyɛ soa kora ɛso kwa obi ansom wo on se mo ayɛ saa ma ɛsɛ wɔsi wɔnabo Kennedy ɛyɛ a mo nhwɛ enipa be enum hyia emu ba akopra ni ho aka sɛ mepe Kennedy obi aba ɔsɛ mepe Kennedy pa so deɛ mo yɛ ntimi te sɛ me free me nkyɛn na yɛ kɔ wɔsi boy bi wɔde ho anwan ka sɛ Ranzi ɛsɛ hwan na yi so wɔyɛ Kennedy ayi supporter so nipa be kasa nyina yɛ NPP fo ɛyifo wɔsi ba onya nkɔfo obi oba yɛ bia wɔkyɛ na dwi ya na ba onya fans mo yɛ saa ma Kennedy nipa wɔ ne nkyɛn ni efi ne nkyɛn mo de mano ayɛ sɛ boro mano ayɛ sɛ boro na mo de asi NPP anya atamfo yɛ atamfo ni NDC for na yɛ atamfo ma yɛn wɔn na yɛ opponent NPP near NPP opponent near opponent NDC yɛ wɔn tɔkwa bi a ɛne NDC for na ɛsɛ yɛ no wɔn ɛne NPP ka na ɛsɛ ɛne NPP ba ko NPP ba ni kwa sɛ wɔn ne NPP ba ko deɛ mahama wɔyɛ a wɔbu ma ne tantantan ada na mo tena sɛ mo nka na ho asɛm na ba onya na mo tena sɛ na mo kukuru na si wɔ na mo ka no asɛm tantantan sɛ deɛ no bɛyɛ tan na ɛwɔ sɛ obi nto abama ɛso nya deɛ mo yɛ na bɛma ba omi a wahwe ase o nya deɛ mo yɛ na bɛma ba omi a wahwe ase onyankopɔn so hina ɛyɛ dɛn onyankopɔn so hina na wɔ so hine so onyankopɔn so hina kɔtɔ ahenkyɛ so akora ɛso kwa obia no wɔbɛsom wo enti mo susu mo ba omi ama ba omi ho nyɛ tan na ba omi ni nyina hu papa no sɛnea wɔteɛ obia dɔn yesu wo numa de bedi wachi wo numa bedi wachi wo ka di sɛm a wo numa bedi wachi enti ba omi ani numa edi na chi wana bo ayi so no numa edi na chi why
me da se mami thank you so much Ken ba just when I wanted to let him okay, that's fine. So Miss had 2 minutes reaction. I don't know why it dropped. I don't know. Ken unfortunately I think he's all right. He's back. He's back here. He's back. Yeah.
Yeah. Is making some statement, but my phone be so 2 phones into me. Yeah. Now I can't pick the line.
All right, Kemba.
We need to respond.
Yeah. Obabe gu alaji ba umiane ne yire ni mwasi. Enti Kemba obekwa akotie.
Okay, Kemba. Yeah. The whole message was about the thank you tour. That's what I came up with. Listening to everybody so far is like the thank you tour is good, but Honorable Ken Agyapong in it is a problem.
No, me from day one, even when before Munya started, I just recorded my displeasure about inviting everybody onto that train, because I felt say Dr. Bawumia was a flag bearer and he should go his thank you talk. He should go alone, like with his team. Maybe not maybe that's the Mimi GD, and almost starting from day one. Commentary about social media. Wait tomorrow we are tomorrow. I think that it is not healthy for the unity of the party. And so Marcus started this tour. Before I started tour, I said it somewhere and now
you talking turn back.
Oh my Pacho, Nivyu Noka.
Yeah,
democracy.
Marcus actually say no so actually not being differently. Two. Now say me call Omega platform so. Nasa obi can nasa just like I'm on this platform. I cannot control the thoughts of those people.
Yeah.
To me but what I can do is say maybe if me feel say baby obi kind na me feel say me to me actually my drink akra ho say be we are kind the one can here. I no to me aka actually. What you say? But some me chere say man nipa en kan adwen de me to me kan to be say mo kan adwen. So when you see me there, and somebody is expressing his or her viewer, it's the person's own view. And yet, me there. What you say? And for me, being a patriot, I cannot go anywhere on any platform to go and destroy Dr. Bawumia's image. That I cannot do. That I cannot do. I've been doing this work for a very long time. And from my constituency to region, and then to Ashanti region. Even last campaign, if you go on my page, you will see the number of Dr. Bawumia's ad and stuff that I've posted there. After campaign, everything ceases to me, and we all follow suit. The one that the party will elect as a flag bearer, we all rally around that person to win the main elections for us. So for me, that is me. Me so be can nasema. Me to me can change say onjai sa seven can na say, but me to me correct no.
Okay, so finally, right now is looking the way it is. The thank you talk cannot be cancelled. If you were given, maybe, if you were given the opportunity to advise both Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Honorable Ken 30 seconds as to what message they should send to the delegates or the people, how will you advise them? Simple. So Dr. Bawumia first, Ken second.
It's simple. They should all preach about unity and stop this blame game, blame this thing, blame that, and bringing on this a friend is saying Ukwe's report thing. Because it's still now, we don't know what is contained in that Ukwe's report. It is them. What you say? Yeah, no matter what it has said, no be no honor or what into it is new to some people. It's your mom obia for unity. Now, fa and Cambomuno and fa and two man no moka. Dan some blame game because one the blame game coming over no obiso on view. Because A will blame B, B will blame C, C will blame D, and then it will be vice versa. Then no be as I started. Then I didn't more on the crown. I'm an basa. At the end of the day, no, this thank you tour is to energize the base of our party. It is to energize the base of our party. But there's some corner saying to me energize the base now. I think by this time, the thoughts on social media, on the traditional radio and TVs, no, should be about what they are saying pertaining to unity. It shouldn't be something that should divide us further. Now, with what they are doing, I think just bringing in some more cracks into the party.
Yo, me there say. Finally, 15 seconds. Miss has said maybe so say Bawumia we need now be a president or be position na. All right, thank you so much. So, Miss at 2 minutes. Reaction.
Honestly, boys, me that see the baby. So for me, such a money now. Maybe I can say. We should energize the base, the patriots, and not incite them against the political party or against NPP. Your name is Shegu, yes, and you're born 10 honor, and I'm crying, and I could do it for. And you're born 10 honor, what executives for your money. Takoya, we see, and then continue to see it. We are by any mood. We need to learn how to correlate each other. But Nyansani Baku 14. No one is against each other. But I can't say, I account for. Mijina was a Omega or blocking because some of the app of the catch and said, Una would won't die.
Because I'm blocking.
On person, me who say, or do but young Pala, there you connect with one of these guys. Internet soon you won't. Digitalization and era about American water. Oh, yeah, we be connect them at the corner of the people. Make me start creating new accounts. Still make me about the corner or your home. Me mama share my yababe. We still have evidence of near my air consume. Kenba, so be ya at the name. Mr. I think I will can be, Mr. I know I didn't do. But me, I can. Then if I couldn't hear ban, and then demonstration of Mukul. Akwaba akuya na anu ada na ewa ba mo ye demonstration bi ono so nam chen ono interview nkofo no obi ka asem bi about the demonstration but me ka chen ba kon there bi the asem ya kan bi that is how we want things to be done enya wo se enye emwa adenti na ewura Kennedy oni ewura ba o me o hia o mutimi hia nsem sere ya e chita for yeti app so yeti adawo ma so ye ya aka ye bu aku ba ya se
ya me sata ye no sere kwa
ya no sere kwa enti die na ye die enti ye ntimi nkoba se maba ewura ba o me do betimi ayi ni akọ so that is set ewura Ken Baswaba. First, Ken Bakasa nicely. But now it's only all trying to eba. I know she, which means boys being polituno. Because if you can't beat them, join them. That is what is happening. Everyone ranking. Yeah, man, life no doom or doom life no mum. Because we can't sit and condone this. Yankasa, yeah, no, yeah. Let me hear my when this one carry crime in Krankata. There's a more Dumijana. Anything I say life in the die son. Because me put in Tokwa. Let me am at the edge and I'm in a camp by idea who you are happy so. If you are not a so and this is one mumra. Pardon now more channel. Into one we are movie papa. Who does this voice? What energy am I? What energy? They can't be encouraging me. Because me Ken Ankasa or woman or catch this if one to say, don't make chasing me.
Yo, but Miss At in Pacho say Ken we need flag bearer no over campaign man. Hey, Munina.
It can never happen in Ghana, the country I belong to.
Yo, Mata, me say. Yo, now second be president now over appointment. Yeah, my appointment to Beji. Alright, Bisat. Yo, me da say. Okay.
Me say Ken. Who's on also on buying position.
Yo, me da say.
Me contract so.
Me da say. Alright, Uncle Marcus. Yes, your reaction.
I am always telling the candidate that look, when we want to talk about leadership, it is not about having access to resources, which is money. Because Sika di obi abotu menye Sika. In fact, boys etin away by my benevolence. Motu match $100 million. You didn't work for it. You would have earned it. You are now a rich person. It doesn't make you a wise person. But when it comes to wisdom, vision, knowledge, it is something that people have that other people don't have. And that is why Dr. Bawumia is predominantly ahead of Mr. Kennedy. That is what they don't understand. The man has earned knowledge. He has earned respect. He is humble. People, both in and out, they respect him based on his qualities of leadership, not because he has money. But our brothers from the other side, they think that so Obi Wosika, it means the person can do a lot of things. Look, if you are not a woman, you'll be not Sikado. Nations are transformed with ideas, not money. That is why Africa, with all the resources, we cannot develop because we don't have the knowledge for it. Abrafuno bebre wanyisika. But when I join the Wadi Yejuma, Dr. Baumia is blessed with that wisdom, is blessed with that knowledge. That is why it will be calamitous. It will be dangerous for us to leave him and go for somebody because he just has.
Okay, Marcus has turned it into campaign. Eh, asa utavasa. I don't know where campaign. You made us. Maya, 2 minutes. Reaction to Asema Ken Bakai. I think Ken Ba basically is on the same page as us. Or a gentle guy. I don't know, yeah.
Boy.
Yes.
As someone say, she me tiwe say, my mema example, Ghana your love mu, almost so Japan na no dia. Minim say, and 70 people have to me cabin me and for us from me genasi. Me teach the one meet you woman. What you say? It is a kind back at me say, or call platform no so nas will be can you know to me stop no. Na se nipa na ebi no make comments na se ma wosere wo comment na wo make ni ade na e de na che se wo support what you say na se wo ho na se wo bi ya de na ntimi kan chen se ye ya enyi ade ti na se wo ko what the e che wo na se
enti ma yetimi feel free bi mo TikTok so yetimi feel free bi mo TikTok so
enti di omu ye nyina no asam ne se me support o hwe voice at times obi timi she obi echi ono no onka bi woni watam onka bi da enso wo didi atam no a wo gina se ho onpata wo nya hwe ma me nto ade so okoto nipa mienu na hwe na de wo de no obetimi abu wo opponent na onpata wo wo gina ho na yayi ana ye pata ma montie na mo yayi no waja na emu gbogbumbe ene de be ye bu ye fa ne se ba ko na no obra no yi ti se kan bakatem se okọ platform so na ofo say you be can asem no be no ntimi kan chese de wo ye ni jaya that means so support said it but wo ba ye honum na safe na asem na ekwa yi a na eno de opese wo tisi mu ka say asem am ka we no eno de ye say but ho no de ukwa wo gina ho wo wa na otru ba ko atu ye ka de ye yi a ofo say aka atwi ba omi a na wasere ni na enti yemfa sant na wiase to na so ntimi kan chobi sade a wo ye na nye dia ene ede na betimi aye because nipa ya ade na voice enya ka kire ni plain dia wo ye na nye because your voice ye nyina ye party ba akofo ana ye wo efenesen ye wo app isu se wo kọ na NDC fo come say mimi say mini akoma na me mfro NDC platform etu se de bia na me bu afu say NPP for no mo ne NDC for ye debate ni de bia say me bu fu wo
yeah
because me ntime stand sa ntime from a platform na se ye nyina se ye ekuo ba akoma na afi de binom do mo sori a hwe ne ma ekoso Ghana ene galam say wa shi suit ana what office ana wo ye adwuma a whole president akoshi sanitary pad ye man no kura no tama ye no ye menstruate bi ni ade no me dem say me ye menopause woman me nka ho wo kotokura na ye disie a whole president abegina ho toto saade ewu enti mo say mo de mu ni ade bia discuss Ghana kakakai ye ka timi ka say wotimi makwan omega timi makwan ma MDC ni be from the platform sanso obeka say etia ba wo mi enti what you say wo do party
containers make on containers
containers fufu interban ene de rand ya besu afra ayi of the akonya ayi farm or the akoti cocoa farm and osifo we nyina musimu huye mo de mo se NDC fo asem de mo nka na emu MPP asem na mo sori am de mo sori am ye munya so mo ayi na pape ana ba omia o ana samira o na ba omia o na samira o me pa to Samira na nanim tare ballot paper ne so bi anya bi Samira ana say onu ni mistake oye ne say ewiase yesi bemme bia nkosokọ eye ne yire otan na chi se oba ba aboso no didi ni kuna chi a waye mistake wo ho enu nti mo sore mutimi ye maame obi yire a waye ne ho ade one ne te ana nkrofo na efa na party ni mu ana wo ya ahyawo ana wo mo platforms mo kan ni nyina wo mo so mo ye NPP fo